Moin moin ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Donboxing. And in this one I will be looking at the Moondrop Space Travel 2 Ultra and the Spinfit Neo. If you're asking why this packaging is already partly removed, well, my recording fucked up. I don't know, my smartphone just decided, well, I'm stopping recording now, so basically I start from the beginning here. First, we remove the plastic here, which is a bit difficult because that's relatively tight on here. And then we come to the TWS itself here, which I was just trying to get the plastic removed when my recording was like, nope, I have enough for today. Yep. That is out here. Carrying case is pretty damn chunky. It is pretty big in all dimensions. It's relatively tall, relatively thick, and also I don't love that this is open, so that means dust, debris and everything else will just fall into the TWS here, but at least the optic is cool with the transparentness here. Let me just remove one side, so it slides in like that. Actually, ooh, I also don't love that Moondrop. Ooh, yeah, great idea. So if you just slide it in, you need to push it in manually. It just always will miss it if you just literally just drop it in. So that definitely is improvement potential here for future releases. Yeah, again, no. Don't love that either. Charging pin here at the bottom, as you can see. And let's check out the TWS itself. This is a classic Apple clone if you have seen one. Definitely, again, like you could have gone for a semi-custom shell or anything else, but they are copying Apple. And I'm not a fan of this design because it means it's inserting super shallow into your ear, and it usually means it's not the most safe in there. Outlet here is also oval, so at least that's good or should be good for most people. Let's remove it. And we have a non-proprietary oval nozzle. That's nice. So you could basically mount every ear tip you like, but it feels pretty cheap in the hand. Like some of the other TWS I've had from Rose Techniques that were just a bit more expensive felt better made than this. This is like cheap plastic. It's light. But I guess it is also a cheap TWS, right? So what did we expect? Then other details here, there's a big ass microphone or pressure hole at the top. That definitely will be bad for insulation. And also the seams around this plastic tip thing on top here, like you can literally see it, it's a bit wider. So also not loving the build quality of this at all. And I think here this is another microphone hole if I would have to guess. And yeah, here the charging contacts. Overall, I don't love the build quality of this one at all. But let's see if I can get the ear tips out here, which I assume are in here somewhere, somehow. Yeah, there. Okay, let's see what we actually be getting as accessories here. That's exactly what I expected. We do get a short USB-C to A cable. That's pretty damn random. And as ear tips here, we do get, it looks like SM and L. Again, this is pretty standard shape ear tips, so nothing special at all to see with the Moondrop Space Travel 2 Ultra. Then next, let's get this out and check out the Spinfit Neo. So I have here the Spinfit CP360 as comparison, and I have in here the Spinfit Omni. Omni definitely better than CP360. Let's see what you get if you order the Neo. Let's quickly open the plastic here. I ordered size SS, and this is rather expensive. It's, I guess, like half of what this entire TWS is costing. So yeah, definitely also on the Spinfit tips of the more expensive side. And you do get for like small nozzles an additional adapter here. And yeah, size SS I think should be 10 millimeters. Yeah, here 10 millimeters. S is 11, M 12.2, L 13.3, and XL is 14. And me with small candles obviously need SS. And that's how it comes. Everything is recyclable, everything is plastic, so that's at least nice to see. And the adapter here at the bottom, and axial tip here on top. Then let's remove the tip and check out what this thing looks like. So one thing I can already say compared to Omni, let me get the comparison here. It's quite a bit longer. The stem is itself longer, but also the tip itself is longer. So you have like a relatively long tip that you can probably only use on short nozzle IEMs. And other than that, I think the outlet diameter, outlet diameter is definitively also smaller overall. And I think also the stem itself feels definitely harder. Or like actually it's similar hardness to the Omni at the bottom here, which is surprising because you can see the Omni has more material overall. Let me just give it a quick wiggle and see if the Spinfit mechanism is actually working. It seems like it is. This nozzle is bending as it should. Let's quickly flip this over and have an view of the back side, of the inside, I mean. Yep. Come, sharpen camera. Yeah, classic Spinfit mechanism. It is relatively far to the front for the Spinfit mechanism, not at the back. So that can potentially mean a disadvantage because the tip itself is already longer, and that means if you have a nozzle that is also a bit longer, it will bend relatively early on in your ear. And I assume probably sometimes you want to have the bend a bit further in the back. So, not sure how I feel about this. I would need to try it out. So, then quick first impressions for the Moondrop Space Travel 2 here. I put this in my ear and I can tell you it sounded pretty honky. It sounded a bit bass light actually, and somehow really low res. And even worse, it had driver flags with this huge pressure hole on the top. I don't know how I managed it. And actually the ANC was pretty good for a really cheap TWS. I put this in when I left for the office and I was impressed by it. Like, it's not amazing like the Buds 2 Pro, which has I think like minus 40 decibels in the bass, like really good. But this one also really decently. And now measured, I mean, yeah, you can see it does measure honky, and I mean there is some data past 10K per measurement. Just doesn't sound like it. It sounds pretty low res after all. So, yeah, that's it with the unboxing of the Moondrop Space Travel 2 Ultra and the Spinfit Neo. Hope you enjoyed it. Questions, recommendations, or criticisms, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.